Welcome back to our tour of the beautiful tiny houses of Strawberry Tiny House Design Ideas. Today we invite you discover the charm of minimalist living with 24 Strolling Easy Lane, nestled in the heart of the hamlet by Simple Life. This lovely tiny house comes fully furnished and invites you to savor the simple pleasures of life amidst nature's grandeur at the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains in Flat Rock, North Carolina. Property was originally crafted by Clayton Homes and features the Bankhead model. To this model was added a site-built room, currently used as a secondary bedroom, boasting a thoughtful layout that maximizes 540 square feet of living space. This home features 2 cozy bedrooms, one being a site-built addition with plenty of storage options. Imagine whipping up delicious meals in the U-shaped kitchen, complete with abundant storage and modern appliances like a fridge, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. The allure of 24 Strolling Easy Lane extends beyond its walls. Picture yourself sipping morning coffee on one of 2 covered porches, with the back porch offering a screened-in retreat for peaceful evenings. Living in the hamlet grants you access to resort-style amenities, including a community clubhouse, fitness center, and lush gardens. It's a place where neighbors become friends and outdoor connections flourish. Plus, the vibrant cultural experiences of Hendersonville are just 15 minutes away, while Asheville's urban adventures await within a 35-minute drive. Any home enthusiasts seeking a blend of tranquility and community, this home is a dream come true. Experience the simplicity and elegance of 24 Strolling Easy Lane. Schedule a viewing today and step into a lifestyle that celebrates the beauty of living simply. Thank you for watching. Hope it is useful to you. Wish you and your family good health, luck, and happiness.